guys, it's me, and I'm with Dominic, and we are playing this game I just downloaded. This Flappy Bird Online game. So, yeah.
It was a small idea that grew and grew.
It's a hard game, pretty annoying.
Farmer owned and farmer bred. Collectively sharing the good we spread. It's not always easy to do things right, but when you do, it's worth every bite.
Gorgeous hair color.
You were very on that.
And now you can get exquisite, easy to use salon quality color.
Who's calling?
Madison Reed is
I have no idea who it is.
starting with all the things healthy hair loves.
Yeah, this is pretty annoying. Where's the X already? Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I'm gonna go back to that. Let's try this. Oh my god. It's not the most fun about Flappy Bird is like, it's hard.
You're out of time. Good thing you got your Sketch Air from Skechers. Built for speed with awesome design. Sketch Air features 26 micro shock absorbent airbags on the bottom. It's perfect for cushioning jumps. Keep air in your step with Sketch Air. Only from Skechers. Here are the top 5 of the basic reasons to watch some ball at 5.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, let's go Rages. Hey, oh yeah, that's a hard game. Let's do this. This one sounds pretty cool. I was about to say it sounds pretty easy, but it's easy. Oh my god. I don't like that. They're always on my bike race TFG. Ads are like always on my bike race TFG. I'm like, oh my god. Oh, it's the sun. That was cool. Wait, can you do that thing? Hold up. No, it just kills you. I'm a dead bird right now. I know it sounds hilarious when you die. It makes sense because I'm like white and oh yeah. And I'm in the snow, so camouflage so no one kills me. Except those pipes.
And when you try to fly up all the way.
Imagine a bird flying like this in real life.
Like flying through pipes.
It'd be pretty stupid.
What do you mean?
Like it'd just be like all the time and you're just getting annoyed.
Like bumping into pipes like that.
And then it just lands on your face.
Like that. Oh yeah, we got a Selby. Daniel has got a Selby. Well, it's just like a stuffed animal Selby from Toys R Us yesterday because it was his birthday.
Dude, I'm sitting, just looking at the sky. Just sitting and looking
at the other pipe.
I know, I'm just like, how am I going to get up there? At least I'm not dead.
Yep.
Now I'm dead.
Oh, yeah.
What the frick? I don't care.
I know.
Oh my gosh, why did I just click on that?
Oh, no ads. Those are like the worst things on there.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Bye, guys. Bye.